With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome to Doubtnut. In this question, ask about give the mechanism of action of carbon monoxide. When discuss about the carbon monoxide, is CO. It is the carbon monoxide, carbon and oxygen. It is produced by incomplete combustion. Carbon monoxide is produced by incomplete combustion of fuel or carbon containing substance. If we discuss about the action, what is the harmful effect of carbon monoxide in our body? Carbon monoxide is reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of our blood because if we intake carbon monoxide, then it combine with hemoglobin present in our blood 200 more time than oxygen. Like it has more tendency to combine with hemoglobin as compared to oxygen. So carbon monoxide is easily combined with hemoglobin and form here it form carboxyhemoglobin carboxyhemoglobin, which is more stable complex compound and due to not supply of oxygen cells are dead and it is the region of death of human being in presence of carbon monoxide. So this is the mechanism of action of carbon monoxide. Thank you. Have a nice
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.